Hello, class 7. This is the continuation of your chapter number 17, that is prepositions. In the last video, we have seen prepositions of place and position, preposition of time, and we have completed the exercise E. Now, from here, in this video, we will start with prepositions of direction, that is given on page number 141 in your grammar books. What is prepositions of direction? It denotes the direction of movement of person or things with respect to something else. Like if we need to show the direction or the movement of the person, whatever prepositions that are needed are prepositions of direction. Like, see the example, he jogged around the pond 5 times. He was just around the pond, and by this we know that he was making circle around the pond for 5 times. Then he swam across the British Channel. By this word across, we also come to know that he has swam, and that too across the British Channel. Then in the above examples, around indicate movement in a circular motion all around the pond, and thus prepositions across indicate movement from one side to the other side of the British Channel. So with these words, we can understand the direction or the movement of any person or things. See this example. The train went into the tunnel. Into, we know when there is any movement, then we use into. I hope you remember this. And into means from inside, it will go outside. Then the train came out of the tunnel. We know that the train has crossed this tunnel and now out of the tunnel. Then she went towards the toy shop, in the direction of the toy shop. Then the horse galloped through the grassland. Throughout the grassland he galloped. Then he went to the library. To, it is again showing the direction towards the library. Now there are more examples you can see here. Like the boy climbed up the stairs. He's going up. We know the direction, it is going up. Then the fisherman rowed the boat across the lake, means from one side to the other side. The boy fell off the chair. He just got off. He actually fell down. That is the meaning here. Then the squirrel ran around the tree, means the squirrel is making round a circular movement around this tree. Then the lady walked along the bushes. The lady, she is walking along the direction of the bushes. Now there are some important prepositions of directions. We'll see them. Like to, towards, into, at, for, against. Towards shows direction and to indicates the sense of direction. See here, they went to the hospital. It is showing the direction, the towards the hospital. The car went towards the gate. It is showing direction. Then into indicates movement toward the interior of something. The dolphin jumped into the water. It went inside, into the water. The candidate walked into the room for the interview, means from outside. He walked into, means inside the room for the interview. And I told you into is used to show some movement. Then for suggests the beginning of a movement. Like father left for office just now. He is going for office. It is the beginning of the movement. Then at conveys the idea of hitting in the example. Like he threw the ball at me. It is just coming at me. It is hitting me. Against shows contact or pressure. He threw the stone against the wall. Means pressurizing or moving the stone against the wall. Then from, of, out of. From is used to indicate the point of departure. From at what point you are leaving somewhere. Like the doctor has already gone from the clinic. He has departed. Now he is not there. Then off shows separation. It is used to indicate from the surface of, down from. Like she fell off the bicycle. Fell off. The ball rolled off the road. It is showing separation. Like you can see the above example. The boy fell off the chair. It is same. Then out of is the opposite of into. It shows from the interior of. Like the butterfly flew out of the window. It is opposite of into. Alright. Then he walked out of the door. He is going out of the door. Then other preposition which shows movement are over, through, along, across, up, down, round and into. Now let's see this exercise F. You have to read the following sentence and you have to fill in the blanks with the prepositions given in this pink box. The bus went over the bridge. Across that you have to go over the bridge. Then he got off the car in a hurry. Separation. Then third, the car went up the hills. I hope this is clear. Then fourth, Rita ran down the slope. Of course, you just ran down the slope. The dog jumped onto the roof of the auto rickshaw while being chased by children. Again, onto, into, I told you both that they show what? Movement. So, he jumped from down, he went to the roof of the auto rickshaw. Then 6, the boy threw the ball at the batsman. It is hitting the batsman. Then 7, she somehow walked against, means in the opposite direction of the force of the wind on the stormy event. Then the dog ran along the stream. He was going side by side with the stream. The 9th, he came to the college by bus. Then the train went through the tunnel. Through the tunnel it is going. Then 11th, Rashi started from school when the bell rang. Then Mr. Raman is going to office now. It is showing the sense of the direction to the office. Then G, filling the blanks with to, into, at, for, against, from, of or out of. He fell and banged his head against the wall. Against the wall he banged his head. Then second, the train has started from the station. It is what does from shows? That from the point is the departure to point. Then she fell off the scooter. She fell down like that. The car moved out of the tunnel. It is coming out of the tunnel. Then the ball fell into the pond from up to down. Then she went to the stadium. Mother has left for the market and the man threw a stone at the cat. Now exercise H, what you have to do, you have to fill in the blank with appropriate prepositions. Here options are not given, so you can write by your own. Hard work is the key to success. Okay, it will lead to success. Second, Rita's work is worthy of praise. You have to praise her because of her work. Then third, I am addicted to Xbox games. Fourth, Grandpa carried a bag up the stairs. Then cut the apple into pieces. You have to cut them into pieces. Hira did not abide by his words and forgot to return the borrowed money. Then 7th, Rohin jumped from the bus while it was still moving. We usually play in the park near my house every evening. Then if you are tired of eating rotis, then try pizza. Then 10, the cat climbed up the tree and wouldn't come down. I hope this is clear to you all. Now the next topic is correct use of some important preposition. Now what are the correct use of some prepositions like with and by? With relates to the particular object with which the action is done. By is used to show the agent or the doer of an action who is doing the action. And with shows with what particular object the work is being done. Now see the example. The thief was hit by the policeman. Now you can see who is the doer of an action? The policeman. And with a stick. So what is the object with which we are hitting the thief? It's a stick. So here we are using with. Same thing is with the second example also. The tree was pruned by the gardener with a pruner. Okay. Next is beside and besides. Beside mean by the side of and besides mean in addition to. Like the chair was beside the table means it was next to the chair. She ate yogurt besides the chocolate cake means in addition to chocolate cake she also had yogurt. Then after and in. After is used to some period of time in the past. In is used to indicate some period of time in the future. Like he will reach there after 2 hours. Just showing some like he will reach there but after 2 hours. After 2 hours he will reach there. And she will return to office in an hour. Like within an hour we know that it is time of period in the future that within this hour she will return back to the office. Then on time, in time. On time indicates at the arranged time, neither before nor after the fixed time. In time shows not late and within a comfortable span of time. Don't get confused. See the example, you'll understand. I reached the airport on time. Like on time I reached there, not a time before that, not after that. Because if you just do that, you are going to miss your plane. Then he reached the auditorium in time for the inaugural speech. Like he went there. He doesn't reach the auditorium late, and he reached with the like in that particular span of time also. All right. Then phrasal prepositions. Sometimes there are a group of words which are used as preposition. They're called phrasal prepositions, like in spite of, in accordance to, with a view of, in case of. These are your phrasal prepositions. Okay. Now let's do this exercise I, filling the blank with appropriate preposition given in bracket. In bracket there are two options. You have to choose the appropriate one. See the first one. Humayun's tomb is one of the most majestic of Delhi's monument. Second, Preetham has been invited for tea. For tea. Okay, not with tea. She sleeps with the window of her room open. Fourth, there was a little girl among the survivors of tsunami. I hope you know the difference between and among. Between is used when there are two people. We're talking about two people or two things, and among is for many. Then fifth, did the train from Kanpur arrive? Sixth, can you pay for the painting by credit card? Shailesh is working for that firm. Neha ran around the lake for an hour to build up her stamina. Around, she goes just around that lake. Then she kept the hockey stick behind the table. Behind the table. Come and stand by me. Then J, filling the blanks with on time, in time, with, by, beside, besides, after, in, or with. The students submitted the answer sheets on time, like on the fixed particular time they have submitted it. She reached the school in time, like she reached always, she's never late. Alright. Then third, she blended the ingredients with the churner, with the help of a churner. She is mixing all the ingredients. The form was filled by her with a marker pen. I hope you remember that by and with also. By is the doer of the action, and with what thing that action is being performed. Then she sat beside me, next to me, and ate wafers besides cookies. Means in addition to cookies, she also had wafers. Then sixth, the movie will be released after a week. After a week, this will be released. The tailor will stitch the dress in a day. Now, what you have to do in this last exercise, you have to fill in the blank with appropriate prepositions wherever necessary. Let's do it. One can reach the British Council Library from Mayur Vihar either by metro or by bus. If one is coming by metro, then hop in the train from Akshardham and get down at Rajiv Chowk when the train stops there. One can climb the stairs or take an elevator. Once out of the station, walk straight towards the Kasturba Gandhi Marg and turn towards the Surya Kiran building. Right next to it is the building, as it is beside the multi-storied building. Alright, so this finishes our this chapter preposition. Go through each and every exercise again and just go through all the usage, that where to use the preposition and where not to use. What is the correct use? That is most important. Alright, I hope you have understood this chapter. We'll meet in the next video now. Till then, bye and take care.